safety sensor in Go&Go automatic car wash machine. Imagine this. You have just invested $10,000 into an automatic car wash machine. The first customer drives in, you press start, and suddenly your brush gets too close, scratch the bike, or worse, hit the mirror. One mistake, one accident, and in that every moment, your reputation, your trust, your business could collapse. This is the nightmare every operator fears. And is this the reason why safety is not just a feature, it's survival? Today, I'm going to show you how Go&Go safety sensors are built to eliminate the slip, and why they are hidden power behind the success. Let's be honest, automatic car wash machines sound amazing, fast, efficiency, consistent, but for many new investors, there is one huge question. What if something goes wrong with the car inside? Because unlike washing by hand, machines don't sense with human eyes. If there's no intelligence, no safety sensor, one wrong move could damage paintwork, break the mirror, bend an antenna, or worse, scare your customer away forever. This fear is real. Many operators avoid automation because they have heard horror stories. Machines without days take poor design or no safety measure at all. They think it's too risky. What if I have to pay thousands in compensation? And that is exactly the pain point Go&Go set out to solve. Go&Go automatic car wash machines are designed with multi-layered safety sensors that work like the eye and the ear of the system. Promiscuously sensor constantly monitor car steps, mirror, and distance. Ensuring first never press too hard. Pressure sensor detect resistance instantly. If something feels off, the machine stops or adjusts within a fraction of a second. Intelligent scanning allows the system to reach the vehicle side before washing, adapting its movement to sedans, SUVs, or even pickup trucks. Emergency stop functions are always within reach, giving operators total peace of mind. This is not just technology, this is insurance for your business. Every car that goes through your wash leaves without delay, without complaint, only satisfaction. And satisfied customers are returning customers. Think about it. In today's world, people trust businesses that protect their car. Safety sensors don't just protect vehicles. They protect your reputation, your income, your future. So if you are sitting there wondering, what if the machine damage a car? What if I lose trust before I even begin? The answer is simple. Don't even interest any machine. Invest in a machine that puts safety first. Go&Go automatic car wash machines are export ready, tested in real market, and designed for developing countries where reliability is everything. We understand your fear. We have solved your problem, and we are ready to help you to launch a business that grows safely and profitable. Click the link below, reach out to us, and let's talk about how safety sensor can protect your investment and give you confidence from day one. Because in the car wash business, accident costs you money, but safety makes you money. And with Go&Go, safety comes building.